Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to cook khichdi in instant pot. We are going to cook Moong Dal Khichdi in instant pot. We have 1 cup of moong dal, green split moong dal. For khichdi this is the best. You can use plain moong dal, but green moong dal is the best for khichdi. It has more fiber and more taste. To start, you have to soak this in water for 8 hours, or you can soak it overnight and then drain the water. Once you soak it, you will get like this. So we have soaked moong dal. We have 1 cup of moong dal soaked in water, 1 cup of sona masuri rice soaked in water for just a few minutes and we drained the water. And we have vegetables. We have cabbage 1 cup, chopped cabbage, chopped green pepper, chopped onion, zucchini 1 cup, potato and carrots. You can add other vegetables too if you like. And for masala, we have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, coarsely ground black pepper, cumin seed half teaspoon coarsely ground, mustard seeds. We have 1 teaspoon of salt, ginger chopped small piece, 1 or 2 medium small sized chilli chopped, curry leaves. These are the ingredients we need. We are going to cook everything together in one shot in instant pot. Set the instant pot in saute mode and let's start the process. Add little oil for frying. We have to add little butter for taste. Once the oil is hot, we can add mustard seeds and other seasonings first. The oil is hot, butter is melted. We will add mustard seeds, black pepper, cumin seed. Let it get fried for 30 seconds. Then we will add green chilli and ginger. Now we can add curry leaves, green chilli, ginger, and let us fry this for 1 minute. Once it's fried, we will add red onion. You can use other onions too, like yellow onion also. We can fry onion and green pepper together. Since we are going to cook everything along with the rice and moong dal, we don't need to fry this very well. Just for flavor, bring out the aroma, fry it for a minute. Now we add cabbage. We are going to make this khichdi in instant pot. We are going to pressure cook this in instant pot. So basically you can, whatever recipe we do in instant pot under pressure can be done using regular pressure cooker. If you see our channel, there are several instant pot recipes which can be done in regular instant pot as well, a regular pressure cooker. Now we add potato. So these recipes are common for instant pot as well as regular pressure cooker. Check out our channel, you will see most of the recipes we do in instant pot which can be done in pressure cooker as well. Now other vegetables, we can add the zucchini little bit later because this gets cooked so fast. Let it get fried for a minute. Now we add zucchini after a minute. We can add turmeric and salt. This khichdi is healthier with all these vegetables and green moong dal. This is very healthy. Now we can add the moong dal. We drained the water, cleaned it, washed it. We are adding the moong dal. If it is soaked overnight, it is so soft and you get a smooth khichdi. If you soak it for 1 or 2 hours, it's not sufficient. Rice need not be soaked that long, just a few minutes. We soaked it for 10 minutes. That's sufficient. For this, we are going to add 3 cups of water. We have around 1.5 cup of moong dal and rice together right now. So for that, we are adding 3 cups of water. Since the moong dal and rice are soaked, 3 cups is sufficient. Now we are going to pressure cook this for 12 minutes. Make sure until now the instant pot is in saute mode. Only when you put the lid, change it to pressure cook. Make sure you have the whistle. Change the mode to pressure cook. 12 minutes. Khichdi in instant pot with lots of vegetable. Khichdi is cooked. We waited for more than 10 minutes since we pressure cooked. Khichdi with all the vegetables. Moong dal khichdi. Moong dal khichdi cooked in instant pot with lots of vegetable, cabbage, potato, zucchini and many more. Green split moong dal khichdi. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.